Bible Contradiction Part 5. Alhamdulillah, thumma salatu wassalam ala rasulillah wa ba'd. This is one of the contradictions in the Bible, and this is about the missing verses in the Bible. John chapter 5, verse 4. When you take a look at the ESV Bible, you will not find verse 4, but the King James, you will find verse 4. Someone will just say that, oh, this guy is just lying. Okay, for the sake of argument, let's take a look. When you take a look at King James Version, John chapter 5 verse 1, that Jesus Christ went to a feast of the Jewish people, meaning that this is about the festival of the Jewish people. Okay, so this is the beginning of the chapter, verse 1. So you start counting, that is King James Version. You start counting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. No problem, there is 4 there. But when you go to NIV, let's go to NIV. NIV, let's read that sometime later, Jesus went up to Jerusalem for one of the Jewish festivals. This is the same thing. It's the same thing, the same festival. That is the verse 1. So when you go to verse 2, there is a verse 2, verse 3. But all of a sudden, flip to verse 5. Where is verse 4? Where is verse 4? You understand? So someone might say that, oh, he's typing mistake, what or no problem. Let's move to ESV and see whether they also make that same typing mistake. Okay, ESV Bible, the same chapter, John chapter 5 verse 4, that let's start first, verse 1, that after this there was a feast, is the same thing. So that's verse 1. So you start counting, verse 1, 2, 3, 4. Where is 4? You cannot just say verse 1, 2, 3 and just jump skip 5. So where is 4? So is that same? Is this still a type of mistake? No, this is not a type of mistake. This is being removed. It is alteration in the Bible. People are trying to fix things in the Bible. So how can you just decide to fix the word of God, but you are still claiming that it is the word of God? So you are saying that, oh, God is not perfect. That's what you are saying. If you can fix and change things in the word of God or in the book of God. So you are clearly telling us that God is not perfect. And our God is perfect. The God of Isa, Jesus Christ, was perfect. The God of Abraham was perfect. The God of Moses was perfect. So maybe your God is not perfect. Some of you are saying that Jesus is the word. That Jesus Christ is the word of God. But the word keeps on changing. You see, verse 4 is being removed here. So was it that Jesus asked them to remove it all? You understand? So this doesn't make sense. Jesus is the word, and Jesus is one person. You understand? How come that the word is changing? Who asked them to remove verse 4? Was it Jesus? And who even asked them to write the Bible in the first place? Because the writers of the Bible, they never met Jesus Christ. Paul, he never met Jesus Christ. Matthew, Mark, Luke, none of them met Jesus Christ. And even the Bible itself, Jesus Christ spoke Aramaic, right? So why is it that the Bible is not in his language, just like the Quran? You understand? It was supposed to have original, and then they will translate the original into the languages that you want. You understand? Because that's what the Quran is doing. The Quran is having translation from Arabic language to what? To English language. From English language to Dagbani language. From Dagbani language to Hausa language. You understand? So the origin is the Arabic language because that is the language of the prophets. So where is it? Because these people can just decide to say that, oh, let us change our Bible because we don't even have the original. You understand? But in the Quran, change it and see. Change the English, just change English translation and see what will happen within 24 hours. You can change it and put it in your house, but don't publish it. If you make a mistake and change it and publish it, wallahi, we will let you know that the Quran, even a little kid Quran will even tell you that, oh, you are wrong. Because we have memorized the Quran. People are memorizing the Quran day in, day out. Uphead, Arabic.
أينما كنت وأوصاني
They are memorizing Arabic. Some cannot even speak Arabic, but they memorize the Arabic. So this is the reason why Bible of today is not the word of God, or it does not qualify to be the word of God.